Move up with me. Come on, man.
I'm gonna come with you.
Let's go.
There's two right here.
Okay.
Right. Alright, one guy right by that barrier. Or the cube. You just saying the right cube to make me mad.
Go up, go.
No, don't move up. And the key. You get him?
Apparently not. Okay, buddy, that's cool.
All these guys are flinching at you. I'm gonna get up on the wall. Got another one. Okay. What's that?
Wait, why don't we just go right now? Come on, let's go.
Let's go. That is so sexy. Dude!
Did you get that on film? Get one on film. The guy flying through the wall. A guy went through the wall.
Hey, the wall, bro.
On the wall?
Yeah.
Where? Show me.
Brandon. Oh. Sorry. Who did?
Missing a grenade launcher?
Hey, let me get it.
Hi guys. DJ.
And there's just the aftermath.
Go. Go.
Okay, sir.
Right here.
Oh, I'm gonna wait. Dang it, he's dead.
He wanted to light him up.
Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Brandon.
Hi, Brandon. Oh.